Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether BMO charges monthly account maintenance fees. When looking at banking options, understanding account fees is crucial for keeping your hard-earned money in your pocket. The short answer regarding BMO is that it depends entirely on the specific type of account you choose to open, as their fee structure varies across different checking and savings products. If you opt for popular options like the BMO Smart Advantage checking account, you will find that it features a $0 monthly maintenance fee and requires no minimum balance to keep it active. This makes it an attractive choice for individuals looking to completely avoid routine monthly service charges. On the other hand, accounts like BMO Smart Money Checking carry a low monthly maintenance fee, though that fee can be waived if you meet specific criteria, such as being under 25 years of age. For premium tiers like BMO Relationship Checking, a higher monthly fee applies, but it can similarly be waived if you maintain a designated relationship balance or meet specific qualifying link requirements. Meanwhile, standard savings vehicles like the BMO Savings Builder or online savings accounts typically feature zero monthly maintenance fees, allowing your savings to grow uninterrupted. Ultimately, while BMO does charge monthly maintenance fees on certain tiered or specialized accounts, they also provide clear pathways to bypass those costs through minimum balance maintenance, age qualifications, or by selecting specific consumer-friendly account tiers like their Smart Advantage option. Always review the specific account disclosure agreement before opening an account to ensure it fits your personal banking habits and financial goals. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.